Hello viewers and well-wishers. Welcome to our channel Ashana Sadhana, the right way to success. ముందుగా మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని షేర్ చేస్తున్న మీకు మా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారములు. మీ అభిమానాన్ని ఇలాగే కొనసాగిస్తారని ఈరోజు నేను ఒక ముఖ్యమైన టాపిక్ తో వచ్చాను.
Hello everyone, I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Nouns. Naming words. Look at the pictures and read the sentences under them. The boy is running. The horse is strong. He lives in Delhi. She has a doll. You already know that every person, animal, place or thing has a name. The word boy is the name of a person. The word horse is the name of an animal. The word Delhi is the name of a place. The word doll is the name of a thing. Learn and say aloud. Words which are names of persons, animals, places or things are called nouns. All naming words are nouns. Look carefully at the colored words in the sentences given. They are all nouns because they are the names of the persons, animals, places or things. Ashok is a clever boy. The boy ate a mango. The dog barked at the thief. Mumbai is a big city. Ships sail on the sea. The pen is on the table. Lions are found in Africa. Bread is made of flour. Repeat these sentences loudly. See, you have learned so many names.
Click true or false for the given statements. A noun is a saying word. True. A noun is a saying word. January, February, March are months in a year. Grapes grow on vines. Good, lovely, expensive are nouns. Names of persons, places, things are nouns. True. All the words in this list are nouns, but one noun is different others. Drag and drop in the bag. Necklace, gold, ring, bangles. Gold. Carpenter, tailor, chair, cobbler. Chair. Crow, sheep, cow, goat. Crow. Sun, trees, stars, moon. Trees. Plates, cups, glasses, milk.
Nouns. Common and proper. Speak the words loudly given under list A and list B. List A. Ashok, Shivani, Delhi, France, the Taj Mahal, Connaught Circus. List B. Boy, girl, city, country, building, street. Look at the names in the list A. Did you notice something? They are the special names of persons and places. They begin with a capital letter. They are called proper nouns. The nouns in list B are called common nouns because they are not special names. They can be used for any person or place. Boy can mean Ashok, Raman, Jack, Afzal, or any other boy. Remember, a person's special name should always begin with a capital letter. In the same way, the special name of the place should also be written with capital letter.
Click true or false for the given statements. Mahatma Gandhi, New Delhi, Mount Everest are proper nouns. True. Common nouns are special names of persons and places. False. Special names of people and places should always be written with a capital letter. True. Man, woman, river, city are proper nouns. True. Special names are proper nouns. Drag and drop the right words to fill in the blanks. The Red Fort is in Delhi. The oldest river of India is the Ganges. The father of nation is Mahatma Gandhi. The dash or the highest mountains in the world, Himalayas. Postman, painter, tailor are common nouns.
Verb. Doing work.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share to your friends.